Today is the 20th, no 21st of June 2022, and we have Lintuvaarantie, Fågelbergvägen 28, but there's also Kyyhkysmäki Duobacken one. And it's the last one on Kyyhkysmäki Duobacken that I had not filmed yet. But I'm filming it now, finally. The capacity is 6 persons for 80 grams. Another original Kone elevator here, but that alarm was maybe changed.
Yeah.
Now 440 was built in 1991, turned 30 years old in last year, 2021. It's in the stage 66907. Will be inspected this year in 2022. Just have two rides. Of course. Might be early 1991 maybe.
Yeah.
I really like the smell in here.
Same. Inspekteringspakket mais med tänkt på Kone.
It's probably used to have one alarm button, and then the other one is an indicator for alarm set.
Yeah.
Ja, so this is in Leppävaara, Aalberg, Espoo, Espoo, again, Espoo Street in Finland. That's it.
That's